Many auctions ago, I bought this trailer in New York State. Didn't have a title, but I use it to haul my riding mower and four-wheeler, deer hauler, basically. And man, has it paid for itself. This trailer doesn't owe me a thing, but it's not always convenient to hook up to a trailer and load the four-wheeler and the inconveniences of a trailer itself. And a company sent me something today that can alleviate using this all the time. Let's check it out. Oh, I got something in the mail today. Let's take it out of the box, see what it is. Got some heavy-duty ATV ramps, four-wheeler ramps. You can use them for other things, but yeah, check them out, man. 2 scale, and they even sent you the gloves. All right. Ramp user's manual. Got the straps right there. A lot of guys don't even use the straps, and I kind of look at them out of the corner of my eye going, yeah, I hope that ramp don't fall. But I've had a few of these in my lifetime, and these seem heavier duty than what I've ever had. Lightweight, but heavy duty. So these ramps are 750 pound weight capacity a piece, so 1,500 total for those mathematically challenged. And there's a little bow right here in the middle. And I see you bright and shiny TMCers out there flatbedding, and your flatbeds have a bow there too. And that just helps absorb the weight is all. I don't think driving that on or a four-wheeler on is a problem as far as not having it strapped. I think when you might run into a problem is backing off. Personally, when I back a wheeler or something off, I just put it neutral, kind of steer it and let it go. I mean, I'm not a good captain, man. I'm not going down with the ship, but I certainly drive it up. And let's go, I don't know, let's test the ramps out with a little bit of weight. Looks about right to me. Four-wheeler's about 500 pounds. I'm 200 pounds. Holding it no problem. All the weight's on the ramps. These are durable ramps, 1,500 pounds. I'll leave a link in the description down below. I do recommend the tie-down straps on here, and I will show you real quick how to use them. I don't worry going up so much as coming off. Now, unloading a four-wheeler or riding mower or e-bikes, I just walk them off. But this, I just put it in neutral and let it coast off. And it does come with the ratchet straps. And you know what? They're good enough to hold the ramp in place while you back off of it. Like I said, for me, I got the four-wheeler up there. I just put it neutral, line the wheels up, let her rip. I don't always, I'm not always going to hop on it. Got the hook on the one side, go underneath. I've got a, a tow hitch on this truck, so where the chains go, I'll just hook it right there and pick your spot. In the Vevor video itself, they have it centered up pretty good. You could do that. I mean, I've seen people go a little higher on it, but yeah, all you do is you come through like this, loop, loop-de-loop, pull it tight, go down. Yeah, and these are pretty good, man. They are. Zip it through, you're tight, come back up underneath here, and I will show you in just a second. Hook the other one up, same way. I mean, that thing ain't moving for the world. So, right here, even Steven. Throw that down on the ground. There's really no excuse to get hurt using these ramps other than carelessness. These are fast, they're easy. For the minute and a half it takes to hook them up, 2 minutes it takes, it's worth the safety. There you go, and you can see how I got them hooked up. And I mean, from just a safety advantage, I mean, I'm pulling back on that about as hard as I can, and they ain't moving. So, again, a quick tie down, you're in, you're out. It's that simple. We'll also send you a pair of gloves, good grippy gloves. You got soft hands. Mine are, if you've ever shaken my hands are rough as sandpaper. I mean, they just are. But yeah, I mean, these are perfect. Set just like that. They're not coming off. There's no way they're coming off of there. You'd have to cut that strap to get it to move. Bottom line. Walk up the ramp. And I'll leave a link in the description. I'm actually trying to spin tire a little bit on them, try and pull them off the tailgate. You ain't getting them to move. Not in this lifetime. Got a four-wheeler, no trailer? Get you some Vevor Ramps, 1,500 pounders. Link down below. Boom.